In this DreamHost VPS review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of DreamHost VPS hosting, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, security, performance and uptime, and customer support. Also providing you with a DreamHost VPS discount that will save you up to 74% off DreamHost Managed VPS hosting, depending on the plan and term you choose, plus get you a free domain name on annual plans. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the DreamHost VPS discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome DreamHost VPS discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit the DreamHost Managed VPS hosting page. You can get DreamHost virtual private servers for as low as $10 a month. DreamHost became a registered company in 1997. There are over 1.5 million websites that choose DreamHost for web hosting, and there are currently over 750,000 WordPress installations using DreamHost. DreamHost has over 400,000 happy customers spanning throughout more than 100 countries. With DreamHost, you'll get a 100% uptime guarantee. When it comes to DreamHost and its VPS hosting services, you get resources dedicated to you. Each virtual server hosting plan dedicates resources solely to your website, providing exceptional power, low latency, and high performance because every second matters. Performance wouldn't mean much without easy setup. DreamHost custom control panel is straightforward and powerful, letting you get your site online in minutes. As your business grows and your needs grow, your virtual server can grow too. You'll be rest assured your host can keep up. Upgrade RAM and storage in just seconds. You get everything for one price. Each VPS plan includes SSDs, email, one-click SSL, unlimited domains, privacy, and more powerful features. When it comes to features with DreamHost VPS plans, you get managed performance, security, and updates. Unhindered performance with your own server resources, expandable RAM and storage, quick and easy to use custom control panel, unlimited bandwidth and traffic, SSDs, email, SSL, and unlimited domains included. DreamHost VPS offers advanced features such as automatic software updates, Apache or NGINX, unique IPv4 and IPv6, unlimited SFTP users, PHP 8 Perl Python, Node.js, Ruby version manager, one-click application installer, secure shell access, OP cache, cron tab access, subversion repository, access to raw log files, and password protection. If you're looking for unmanaged VPS hosting, DreamHost offers this with its unmanaged VPS powered by the cloud. You can start servers with total control using your favorite tools. DreamHost also offers you a way to supercharge your MySQL database. MySQL VPS gives your MySQL VPS database its own virtual private server. You can add this as an option at checkout. Now let's take a look at the DreamHost Managed VPS hosting plans, going over the pricing of each. You can choose between a 3-year term, 1-year term, or monthly term with VPS hosting plans. With a 3-year term, you get the VPS business plan starting at $10 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $24.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS professional plan starting at $20 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $46.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS enterprise plan starting at $40 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $92.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS Premier plan starting at $60 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $114.99 a month for the renewal. For the 1-year term, you get the VPS business plan starting at $13.75 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $31.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS professional plan starting at $27.50 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $57.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS Enterprise plan starting at $55 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $114.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS Premier plan starting at $82.50 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $141.99 a month for the renewal. For the monthly term, you get the VPS Business plan starting at $15 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $37.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS Professional plan starting at $30 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $69.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS Enterprise plan starting at $60 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $137.99 a month for the renewal. You get the VPS Premier plan starting at $90 a month. The plan renews at the then current rate. Right now the rate is $169.99 a month for the renewal. Now let's go over each of the plans and what they come with. All the VPS plans come with unlimited websites, unlimited traffic, free SSL certificate, unlimited email at your domain, and AI Business Advisor. The VPS Business plan comes with 2 GB of RAM and 60 GB of SSD storage. The VPS Professional plan comes with 4 GB of RAM and 120 GB SSD storage. The VPS Enterprise plan comes with 8 GB of RAM and 240 GB of SSD storage. The VPS Premier plan comes with 12 GB of RAM and 360 GB of SSD storage. Now let's go over the backend and control panel of DreamHost. Once signed up, this is what the DreamHost control panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. You can easily install WordPress. You'll have easy access to File Manager and can easily create email accounts ending in your domain name. When it comes to customer support, DreamHost offers an award-winning technical support team. You'll get 24/7 in-house customer support. DreamHost multilingual support team covers around the globe, ensuring that help is always just a quick message away via email or web chat. You get 24/7 ticket support, live chat support, and phone support callbacks. DreamHost also offers a comprehensive knowledge base, providing FAQs where you can find answers and tutorials on popular questions you may have. DreamHost technical support team responds to inquiries in under an hour, with live chat available in less than 60 seconds. DreamHost solves most issues on the first contact, 12% higher than the industry average, so you don't need to follow up or escalate. DreamHost provides 91% customer satisfaction with a high recommendation rate. DreamHost award-winning support team delivers friendly, reliable help that keeps customers happy. Wrapping up, DreamHost is a reliable and robust choice for VPS hosting with a strong focus on performance, security, and user-friendly management features. From the excellent uptime and responsive support to the ease of scalability. DreamHost is well suited for businesses and individuals who need powerful hosting without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for a VPS provider that checks all the right boxes, I highly recommend giving DreamHost a try. I hope you enjoyed this DreamHost VPS hosting review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more DreamHost tutorial videos.